Okay, in this video we are going to look at calculating the area of a sector of a circle. If we think back just to how to calculate the area of a regular circle, to calculate the area we would just do pi times the radius squared, pi r squared. But if we want to calculate the area of just a sector of that circle, we need to consider the proportion of the circle that we're looking at. And to do that we need to consider the angle that the question will give us, and we'll put that angle over 360. By doing so, it allows us to consider the proportion of the circle, and we can multiply that by our normal area formula to calculate the area of the sector. Okay, in this question here, we're asked to calculate the area of the sector, and we are given an angle of 115 degrees, and we are given a radius of 4 degrees. So all we're going to do is we're just going to substitute our values into our equation. So we're going to do pi times 4 squared, remembering to square, and we are multiplying by our given angle. Our given angle is 115, and that's over 360. That is the proportion of the circle that we're working with. And if we just give that a go on our calculators, we should come to the answer 16.05 blah blah blah, which if we round that to one decimal place will be 16.1. If we're calculating the area is always centimetres squared. Our units always need to be squared when we're talking about area. So this is really similar to the arc length formula. The only difference was in the arc length, which is associated with the circumference, this part here was pi d. But because we're now calculating the area, this part will be pi r squared. And this will be the same just for working through any of the related questions. Thank you.